I think the aim of the Maribor is every season is the same. Every season Maribor is aiming to be on the highest position possible, and this season we will try to give our best on the pitch. We will give our best effort on the pitch, starting from the first game to arrive this aim. We will play every game to win, and hopefully we will achieve our goals. I think in this league there are many teams that has good quality, high level of quality, and Celje is one of these important teams. Every game that we will play, we need to focus 100%. It doesn't matter against which opponent we play. We have to keep our focus and concentration always at the high, and try to play our game with and without the ball. Then regarding to this game preparation, I don't believe that Celje has lost anything. They have fulfilled all of their positions that they have left with even better players in their squad. So I don't think that they have any things missing. I'd also seen that they are playing games now, so they will have game rhythm. These are the facts before this game about our opponent. We respect our opponent and their qualities, but it is much more important what we are doing, what we are expecting from ourselves, and we will give and we must give our 100% commitment in this game.
Mi čakamo že začetek sezone. No, tretja sezona v dresu Maribora, cilj ostaja isti, to se pravi po koncu sezone, da smo prvi na lestvici, da smo pokalni zmagovalci in da pridemo v Evropi čim dlje. Kakšen Maribor pričakujem? Pričakujem dominanten Maribor s še več intenzitete in nekako entuziazma, in verjamem, da z novo energijo, ki jo imamo, da lahko to dosežemo. Ja, štajerski derbi do zdaj so bili vedno zanimivi. Želimo se biti uspešni, ne glede na to, da so se znotraj obeh ekip zamenjali igralci, pri nas trener, pa verjamem, da osnova za derbi ostaja, se pravi dva kluba, zelo uspešna kluba, in oba kluba, ki želita biti v vrhu, tako da verjamem, da bo atraktivna tekma. Na koncu pa želimo zmagati za en gol in se veseliti 3 točk, ki bojo dobra popotnica za sezono, kar pa ne pomeni nič, tako da ja, potem bo naslednja tekma Evropa, naslednja tekma Domžale, tako da gremo tekmo po tekmo, ampak Celje pa ja, cilj 3 pike.